Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to reset your Verizon cable box. First, turn off the Verizon cable box using the remote or power button. Then, unplug the power cord from the back of the box. Next, wait 2 to 5 minutes to allow a full reset. Plug the power cord back into the cable box. Now, turn on the cable box and wait for it to reboot. Check if the Verizon logo or loading screen appears. Wait for the box to fully load all services. Next, test the channels to ensure everything is working. If issues persist, perform a factory reset via the settings menu. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.
Easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.